Hello and welcome to Proceq UT8000 tutorial 14, the logbook. The following actions are possible on completion of this tutorial. First, we'll look how to access the logbook. Then you'll see an overview of the settings logged, and then how to share and export the logbook. So here's how to access the logbook. You can view the logbook in live or review state. You'll see the menu just above the settings on the main menu. Instead of the cog for settings, you'll press the book for logbook. Show you now. So I press there, and you can see that's the logbook with all the settings I've changed. Now we'll have a look at the overview of the settings logged. The geolocation and changes to the setup files are logged instantly. So you'll see I'll open up the logbook. You can see the geolocation of where I'm taking the measurements. Then I'm going to change the gain, and you'll see that directly live put into the logbook. So any changes like range or delay or pulse of voltage will all be logged inside this logbook. Now I'll show you how to add voice and photos to your logbook. You'll see at the bottom of the logbook there's a microphone and a camera icon. You can press the microphone for the voice note. It'll take a recording of up to 15 seconds. You can play that back and listen to it. And then you can press the camera to take a photo, either a live photo or choose from your library. Here's a picture of the flaw detector that I'm using. I'm going to use that in my report. Next, we'll have a look how to share and export this logbook. The logbook is shared as part of the HTML report and can be viewed either on your tablet or on the PC. You'll see I've got an email here of the HTML report. I'm going to click on that. That'll bring me to the Proceq Live cloud, where I can view that particular data, including all the settings. And then at the end will be the logbook, including my geolocation and all the changes I made, including the voice note and the like. Now you know about the logbook feature. Thank you.